In the bustling city of Techville, robots and humans lived harmoniously, each contributing to the city's vibrant life. Among them was a small, curious robot named Robo. Unlike other robots, Robo had a special program that made him eager to learn and help others. One sunny morning, as Robo rolled through the park, he noticed something disturbing. The park, usually filled with flowers and laughter, was covered in trash. Bottles, cans, and wrappers were scattered everywhere. Robo's circuits buzzed with concern, knowing this was not good for the environment or the people who loved the park. Why is there so much trash? Robo wondered aloud. Just then, a group of children playing nearby overheard him. People forget to throw their trash in the bins, explained a little girl named Lily. And some don't recycle at all. Recycle? Robo asked, intrigued. What's that? Lily and her friends gathered around Robo and began to explain. Recycling means turning waste into new things instead of throwing it away. It helps keep our environment clean and saves natural resources. Robo's eyes lit up. That sounds like something we should do right away. Let's clean up this park and recycle what we can. The children agreed, and together, they began their mission. Robo used his built-in sorting scanner to identify different types of trash, plastics, metals, paper, and glass. He taught the children how to separate the items into different recycling bins. Look. This bottle goes in the plastic bin, and this can goes in the metal bin, Robo instructed, his excitement spreading to the children. As they worked, more robots and people noticed what they were doing and joined in. Soon, the park was buzzing with activity as everyone pitched in to clean up and sort the trash. Robo's enthusiasm was contagious, and he even created a catchy chant to keep everyone motivated. Sort the trash, one by one, recycling is so much fun. Plastic, metal, paper, glass, let's clean up and make it last. With so many helping hands, the park quickly transformed from a littered mess into a clean and beautiful space. Robo felt a sense of accomplishment, but he knew their mission wasn't over. He wanted to ensure everyone understood the importance of recycling. Robo and the children decided to hold a recycling workshop in the park. They created colorful posters and set up stations where people could learn how to recycle properly. Robo demonstrated how different materials could be turned into new items, like plastic bottles becoming park benches and paper turning into notebooks. The workshop was a huge success. Families, students, and even other robots attended, eager to learn and participate. Robo's friend Lily spoke to the crowd, sharing what she had learned about recycling and why it was important for the future of their city. Recycling helps us keep our environment clean and healthy, she said. By recycling, we're saving resources and reducing pollution. It's something we all can do to make a difference. Robo felt proud as he watched the people and robots of Techville embrace the idea of recycling. The park, now spotless and vibrant, was a testament to what they could achieve together. From that day on, recycling became a common practice in Techville. Robo continued to educate others, visiting schools and community centers to spread the message. He even helped design new recycling bins that made sorting easier and more fun. Robo's mission had made a lasting impact. Not only was the park cleaner, but the entire city became more environmentally conscious. Robo had shown everyone that even small actions, like recycling, could lead to big changes. And so, Techville thrived, a cleaner, greener city where robots and humans worked together to take care of their world. Robo, with his golden heart and endless curiosity, continued to inspire others, proving that anyone, no matter how small, could make a big difference.